What a go on, tubers, I am Kemar and welcome back to another new and exciting episode of The Rotted Show. So here's a story that I noticed have been flying under the radar with both traditional and the social media. So Muslim cleric Abdullah al-Faisal for the past few months have been challenging an extradition ruling. And to know people, he is not wanted for scamming. Abdullah al-Faisal is wanted by the United States for allegedly using a number of internet-based platforms, including YouTube, to persuade individuals across the world to travel to Syria to take up the cause of jihad.
Racism, tribalism, nationalism, or other man-made isms and schisms, they cannot be classified as mujahideen. And if they die in these battles, they only commit suicide.
Operations carried out by an undercover New York Police Department allegedly communicated with him via email and video chat, which would mean that they have some dirt on him. His attorney Bert Samuel said that the allegations made against his client were not made in good faith, and so it would be unjust for the Jamaican justice system to extradite him. Bert argued that everyone has a right under the Constitution to due process. He also indicated that he had requested the original source material which allegedly implicated his client, but the parish judge ruled that the evidence was withheld not by them but by the requesting state. Which is kind of suspicious. How can you have evidence compelling at that and don't want to reveal that formal evidence? In light of that, the Office of the Director of Public Prosecution also rejected assertions by al-Faisal attorney that his client's right to due process were breached. Thanks again for watching, and if you like this video and you want to see more, let me know by hitting that like button. Also, if you want to stay up to date with all things happening in Jamaica, hit that subscription button and click on that notification bell. And if you want to catch up on the latest Rotted Show, you can click right here. With that said, thanks again for watching and I'll see you next time.